बोलेगा बाय गॉड आई एम लुकिंग रेड हॉट।
I was working on Band Baja ka marketing at that time, and of course as part of the marketing we had done this shadi as part of the marketing campaign, and the girl and boy who were getting married were Punjabi, so obviously I was given the forefront on doing the wedding in the Gurdwara and all, because I could speak in Punjabi and get the whole thing sorted. And the guy always used to say कि तुसी ना actor बनने पे हो मैं, and I always used to say कि नहीं मैं नहीं बनी। जो actually दिल में by the time Band Baja had started I had decided कि अब मुझे actor बनना है, you know. And when Band Baja marketing was going on I had decided that I would quit next month and I would join an acting school, and I would take up acting after about a year or so, which would mean this year. And I had become friends with Manish. I used to meet him every day for interviews and whatever. तो मैं उसको मैं ऐसे ही बताती थी कभी-कभी कि यार अब मैं डिसाइड कर रही हूँ कि अब मैं क्विट करूँगी और मैं एक्टिंग स्कूल जाने वाली हूँ। और वो ना हंसता था, वो कहता था हाँ अच्छा। और मुझे नहीं समझ आता था क्यों, मुझे लगता था ऐसे ही लगता होगा उसको कि इसको एक्टिंग नहीं आती है whatever। मेरे पीठ पीछे क्या चल रहा था मुझे नहीं पता था। This is in December. September onwards, Manish had told Adi कि रिकी बेल में बनाऊंगा, उसमें डिम्पल परिणीति ही होगी और कोई नहीं होगा, तुम उसको जॉब छुड़वाओ। He used to tell Adi this, and Adi used to laugh कि यार वो मार्केटिंग में मोटी लड़की, मतलब तुम क्या बोल रहे हो। Manish said तुम देख लो एक बार इसको ऑडिशन करो, वो कर सकती है एक्टिंग। तो एक दिन मैं मनीष के साथ बैठी थी, तो मैंने कहा अब मैं क्विट करने वाली हूँ थोड़े दिन में, एंड मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया कौन सा एक्टिंग स्कूल मुझे जाना है ना। कहता अच्छा ठीक है, तो तुम ऐसा करो, तुम कल शानू को मिल लो, ऐसे ही वो तुम्हें बता देगी कैसे करना है। ऐसे ठीक है, मैं शानू के पास चली गई। उसने मुझे कहा कि तुम कल फिर से आ जाना और एक ये कपड़े लेके आना। ओके, मैं नेक्स्ट डे चली गई वो कपड़े लेके। मुझे लगा वो मेरी प्रैक्टिस करवा रही है बिकॉज शी नोज मनीष और व्हाटएवर, शी इज बीइंग रियली स्वीट। शी शॉट मी ऑन कैमरा, मुझे नहीं पता क्या चल रहा है। उसी शाम को within 1 hour Shanu has taken my tape to show to Adi. Adi has seen that tape and decided हाँ ये डिम्पल है। मुझे अभी तक कुछ नहीं पता, मैं नेक्स्ट डे ऑफिस आई हूँ नॉर्मल, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता क्या चल रहा है। 10 दिन के बाद मैंने रेजिग्नेशन लेटर दिया और मैं मनीष को बताया कि आज मैंने रेजिग्नेशन लेटर दे दिया। कहता अच्छा तो तू ऑफिस आ जा। ठीक है, मैं ऑफिस आई एंड कहता यू आर साइनिंग अ 3 film deal with यशराज। I said what? And I started crying. I said, how can this happen? Because abhi to I had thought that I would leave and I would join a school. I keep telling this to everybody, Manish is the only one who has changed my life. Because there are so many people who would struggle and get to where I am today. I keep saying this, within 12 months I've finished 2 films. It's amazing, it's a dream. Very few people get it. And I'm very, very, very grateful for it. I had never been on a set. And the first shot of Ricky Bell was mine and Ranveer's shot. This was that scene, you know, before he breaks the house with the पत्थर, उससे पहले बाइक पे हम चल रहे हैं ना, that scene, which is a very big scene. And उस दिन मैं तैयार हो रही थी and Manish came to my van to see कि भैया ये नई लड़की है, मतलब मैं पूछता हूँ ये कुछ रो वो तो नहीं रही। He came to me and he's like और क्या है, और भाई क्या चल रहा है, कैसा लग रहा है? I said ठीक है चलो। He was like अच्छा चल। Oh, he took me to set. मैंने वहाँ देखा 200 लोग की यूनिट, कैमरा, जिब विब लगा हुआ है, प्रॉप्स हैं, सब लोग कॉस्ट्यूम मेरा के सब हेयर वेयर सब टाइम। शिट ये क्या हो रहा है? But I sat on the bike and Manish said action and he said cut and I said यार ये तो मुझे आता है, ये तो मैं कर सकती हूँ। It was literally अंदर से आया कि हाँ अब मुझे सिर्फ अच्छी एक्टिंग करनी है, मुझे एक्टिंग आती है, ऐसा मुझे लगा, you know. It was amazing. Everything that I was learning was new. Everything they had to teach me from scratch. मतलब मुझे फोकस मार्क्स नहीं देने आते थे, मुझे फ्रेम में अपने फ्रेम में रहना नहीं आता था, मुझे लाइट पकड़ना नहीं आता था, मुझे सिर्फ ये पता था डायलॉग याद करके आने और बोल देने जाके सेट पे, बस ऐसा था, you know. So everything that I've done in the film with Manish, he's taught me everything, Seem sir, everybody, you know. So it was a very different experience. हाँ इशक ज़ादे के सेट पे I went a little more knowledgeable कि अगर मुझे कोई बोले कि भैया ये करना है, ये बाउंड्री है, वो तो मुझे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा आता था. That's it. But I guess the first film was always like your virgin experience, no? is the smallest town on earth, I feel. अम्बाला में कोई बाजार, cinemas, restaurants ये सब चीज़ें नहीं है. Ambala is a small town of some, I think, like some 1 lakh people, some that kind of population. It's not even as big as Andheri. It's not, really not. Everybody knows everybody. I have come from that kind of town where if today I go somewhere to somebody's house, वो पापा को बात पहुंच जाती है या everybody knows. It's an amazing town to be brought up in. It has really good schools. It's an army cantonment, so you have a very safe life for children. So we had a very good, safe, disciplined, well-educated upbringing. And of course you know everybody, so you're friends with everybody. So you have an open but a conservative kind of upbringing, which was great for me. But yeah, now that I've become an actor, Ambala has become a superstar town. Yeah. Because they feel, like I said, like my brothers, Ambala feels उसने कुछ किया हुआ है. तो now I guess Ambala will, I want to bring Ambala on the map somehow. क्योंकि मैं किसी को बोलती हूँ मैं अम्बाला से हूँ, वो कहाँ है, they don't know. So yeah, amazing memories. My school, everything has been from Ambala. I've never been anywhere else. I've born, brought up there only. Born, my whole family is born there actually. I'm the kind of person who judges a film by its music first. हाँ, जब मैं trailer देखती हूँ, I check the background music first. If background music is great of a film, I somehow like the film. You know, I always download the songs or I buy the CDs first. You know, I'm a very songs person. I think I should sing Jigar Ka Tukda since that's my first song. Disco de club shab मैं की करा, बार या pub shab मैं की करा, अड्डा ते साडा है वहाँ, होगा रे जहाँ, मैं जिगर दा टुकड़ा है, मैं जिगर दा टुकड़ा, you are my सोना सोना मुखड़ा है, मैं जिगर दा टुकड़ा. When the film released now, that's when I first thought about awards, because the film released in December and the award function start in Jan. So December मुझे याद है, अरे यार तो award function शुरू होने वाले हैं. And then I got my first nomination and मेरी ना नियत खराब हो गई. मैंने कहा यार nomination आया है, वो कोई भी एक award मिल जाए, मेरा खाता खुल जाए बस, you know, किसी तरह कोई भी एक, it doesn't matter small big, एक कोई भी एक, best debut, ठीक है. And I got my first award. I was like, wow, मेरी life बन गई. पहला nomination, पहला award, very good. But you know, the first nomination happened, and then every award function was nominated for two categories. I was like, यार ये क्या हो रहा है? And then दूसरा award, तीसरा award, चौथा award, पांचवा award, छठा award. मतलब it just kept happening, and I was like, wow, man, I must have done something right here. Filmfare also, I cried because I had 2 nominations in Filmfare. And you know, I always say the same thing, Filmfare is an award, even if you're not an actor, even if you're in school, you say, अरे आज तो मैंने इतनी पढ़ाई की है, मुझे Filmfare award मिलेगा. Filmfare award is not a film का award, it just happens to be the best award. You always say, मैं इतना अच्छा काम करूँगा, मुझे Filmfare मिलेगा. For an actor, the Filmfare is the biggest award. And I got the award, and for 2 seconds I couldn't move. It took me 2 minutes to get up from my chair, went, my heart was going dug 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 dug, and I went on stage and I broke down a little bit because I just held the Filmfare award. I was like, shit man, shit, I couldn't believe it. You know, Yash ji called me at 7 AM one day in the morning, and he called me and he said, hello, मैं यश चोपड़ा बोल रहा हूँ. And I said, I know Yash ji, आपको introduce करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But he called up and he said कि पर तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, मैंने कल रात को पिक्चर देखी है और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि तुमने मेरी पिक्चर करी. तो मुझे इतना अजीब लगा. मैंने कहा यश जी, I can't tell you how I feel that I am in your films, you know, I am your heroine. But that was the best compliment. He is not only a producer, he is Yash ji, he is a father to everybody in the industry. So when he calls and says कि मैं बहुत खुश हूँ तुमने मेरी पिक्चर करी, it just ends there now. It's the best compliment. I keep telling this to everybody. Exactly 12 months ago, it's Feb now. Exactly 12 months ago, I was still working in the office, and within 12 months, I have left the job, finished my first shoot, finished my second shoot, released the first film, and got all the awards for the first film. I think there's nobody in this world who has been able to do this, and it's got nothing to do with me. It's just my luck and my destiny that I've been able to do it. But all I can say is I'm having a lot of fun. I'm having a lot of fun. I must take this opportunity to thank each and every person who's associated with me sitting in front of this camera and giving this interview. Every person at Yash Raj, thank you. Manish Sharma, who has given me the 3 films, who has changed my entire life, made my family proud, given me so much happiness. Thank you. Adi, Yashji, Pam Auntie, Uday, thank you for welcoming me into YRF. Thank you Yashji for making me a Yash Raj heroine. Every person at Yash Raj, every being on Ladies vs. Ricky Velka team, Shanu, my family, thank you very much. I promise I'm going to work very hard. I'm going to make every award count, and I will do each and every year of my life. Thank you.